Hello, it's Monday. Finally here. Waited all weekend for Monday. I finally showed up. So over the weekend, US and Iran peace framework triggered a violent unwinding of all the geopolitical risk premium. Crude oil collapsed, triggering a massive risk-on rotation into global equities. As energy-driven inflation goes away, fixed income markets are the bull. Beta growth sectors and energy are being flooded. So definitely an entire different world from where we were last Friday. So let's go through our positions. We made a lot of plays on Friday in anticipation of the news that was happening on Friday being true. Obviously, we had the risk of taco, but looks like it played out in our favor so far. Let's check out the Q. Retraced pre-market 736. Same with SPY. So we'll see what happens this morning. We tried to do an uptrend bottom on Google. And let's see here. Target. Oh, interesting. Okay. Looks like pre-market's 346. Over the weekend on SignalDeck, we pushed a huge list of features. And we'll had a uptrend bottom play floating around where we got our fill, and the stop is below the bounce. So we're going to be in this for a minute. CVS was an uptrend bottom. That was a high tight pullback. Looks like it was a stop hunt yesterday and pre-market down just below. So we're going to keep that stop underneath the May 14th high while we see if this is a pullback or not. Okay, AMKR posted this on Twitter this morning. This was another consolidation play. Price bounced around, filled prices out of it. We expected it to test the breakout bar, lower volume. This is looking pretty good. This is from our box scanner, which I'll be showing you that later in the call. So I'm going to do this as a sign of strength. Remains. PBI was a high and tight. This was not a, whoops. Prices forming a pullback. We have the stop underneath that stop hunt. May consider a moving stop to that low. We'll see what happens. I'm going to put an alert here. Okay. RTX was from the box scanner. This is a sit and wait type of situation with a high target. So we just continue to sit and wait. Okay. Robinhood. But pre-market is up. Is that true? We're still testing out this charts in terms of pre-market. Yeah. Okay. I need to make sure that we have a sell on this. Because that is potentially going to go. I think I'm going to move the stop. Is this break even yet? Break even's 108, but the price target is 97. Okay, that doesn't make sense. So if it is a pullback, it's going to test my fill. I'm going to move stop to like 76. 76.66. Okay. So we can just move the stop to this area. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. So June 10th and June 4th. So position came within pennies. Okay, we got a box scanner, so I'm not even going to worry about that. Let's see. So we're going to check out Google this morning. We're seeing capital rotation into tech, so this hopefully will help our position. We had a low volume test near our fill, forming lower highs, lower lows. So this is looking good. So we're watching that this morning and seeing where this moves. Stop loss remains on that. CVS. Higher volume pullback. Okay. What's DLA? DAL should be going up because of the. Interesting. We'll circle back on that. Box scanner, consolidator. Okay. Lower volume pullback as we're just outside of the range. RTX. Okay, Hood is absolutely going crazy. Let's look over at Hood this morning. Huge volume candle. We are 110. Let's see, our price target's 111. Let's see if we're getting the right data on this. Yeah, okay. Our price target was 111.01 and yesterday's high was 110.73. So I need to make a note to make sure price target on hood is set. We will probably see this hit our target and we can get out of that this morning, risking 0.9R up 15%. This is looking great. Okay. Got the consolidator on LIN.